Hi, this is Paul with tech support for the Tenant File property management software. Today we're going to talk about bad dates. Those are the dates that you post into the program and you make a mistake, and I'm going to tell you what you need to do to get rid of those and to fix the problems that you have that might be showing an incorrect balance in your ledger because of that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Reports button and click on that, and then go to General Reports and then choose Trust Report. Now if I ran this report right now using these dates here, it would look normal. However, what we're going to do is look for bad dates. So I'm going to close this report, and I'm going to change the starting date to the year 100. So I'm going to type in 0100, and the ending date I'm going to change to 9999. That way it'll pick up any bad dates. And I'm going to print the report. And as you can see, the very first transaction is wrong. Somebody put in 21201 instead of 2018 or 2017. And so that's one of the bad dates that we need to fix. So you need to write down all the information that's on this line. Then I can see on the left hand side, besides that first one at the very end, there's another bad date, 3017. So I'm going to jump to the end of the report, and we can see that the very last transaction on this report. So you also need to write this down, every bit of detail that you see on this line. Or you can print the whole page if you want to, but just be careful. There might be hundreds of pages in this report, so be careful that you only print the one page that you want to print out. So I'm going to exit from here, and I'm going to go into File, Database Maintenance, and then at the bottom there's this long button that says click here to check for link problems. So we click on that, and I click Start, and there it found that bad date dated with the year 201. It asked me if I wanted to delete it. I want to say yes. I found the other bad date, 3017. I want to delete that. And that's all. So now I can go back into the ledgers once I figure out what dates that those transactions are supposed to be, and I can repost those transactions with the correct dates, and everything will be fine. Thanks for listening. This is Paul with the Tenant File property management software.